Good morning, everybody. Thank you for giving me the possibility to introduce what is PagoNext, okay? First of all, I provide a video of my boss.
And my colleagues from Data Fabric Studio. And let me start, I'm sorry because I am not able to be there with you because I have had a small surgery in my back that does not allow me to travel. My name is Ventura Miquel. I'm the head of technology and operations at PagoNext. And what's PagoNext? PagoNext is a Santander company that was created based on a quite simple question that we did ourselves 4 years ago, less than 4 years ago. How to best serve our customers on an environment that was changing the behaviors of the customer, was changing, the regulation was a little bit softer for fintechs than for a financial institution, so we created PagoNext, that is a paid tech company. What means a paid tech company? Paid tech company is we are using the best technology, the last one, creating payment services for our customers for paying and payout services. Paying services are structured on top of our brand GetNet. GetNet is the third largest acquirer in Latin America. Today, we have processed at the end of the last year, more than 165 billion transactions. Again, PagoNext was created 4 years ago, just for you to remember. And on the payout, we have solutions for international payments, trade finance, and instant payments worldwide, where we have already onboarded more than 30,000 companies, international companies in this case. All in all, our figures are that last year we had a gross revenue of over 900 million, and we expect for the year over 1.4 billion. So we are a big animal today, a big paid tech. Some other figures, we are more than 6,000 employees in 13 different locations. How is possible? Is it possible? Well, being part of Santander, no doubt of this, right? So we have the impulse of Santander and being brave on the way we do things. We have used last technologies, but I'm not going to be extending more here because I think that the best way for you to understand what we do is to go to Alfredo Blázquez. Alfredo Blázquez, who is on the stage now, is our Chief Data Officer at PagoNext. He will be sharing with you some of the examples and use cases on what we are using for data concepts as data, security, and technology. So you to see, you to touch it, you to hear it, should be much better than for me to continue speaking. So Alfredo, your floor is yours, and thank you very much.
After Ventura intervention, is show you what is PagoNext. We are focused on what is OneTrade, okay? OneTrade is an ecosystem to provide all the capabilities to our international customers, okay? And if you see the slide, we have a digital platform, OneTrade platform, with connection directly with our banks in the different geographies at the footprint of Santander Group. Okay, previous situation, the most of our banks in the different geographies provide different local solutions, and of course it's totally inefficient, it's very difficult to operate, and we will have a higher cost, okay? The local service is not connected, only managing payments from local entities to final destination of the payment, and it's impossible to escalate and stand alone totally. Well, and solution is not prepared for all segments, only for big companies. For example, it's not prepared for corporates and SME, okay? And what is the new situation? What? We have a global platform, provide capabilities to deploy and escalate all the use cases we need to provide to our customers. It's totally amplified, and it's in a cloud, okay? We are a global effort to provide a common core process to all the footprint of Santander, okay? And of course, we are a big data event, the data opportunity, we thinking the data is the very important thing in our organization, okay? Well, what is the situation, okay? The local online banking connects directly to the global platform called One Trade, okay? And this situation provides several opportunities. For example, upgrade the client experience to the new features and benefits and service evolution aligned with the market trends, upsell opportunities, cross-selling journey like a trade, effects, and of course, in terms of cost and investment, is really a new situation, okay? Well, what is One Trade View? One Trade View is one of the functionality of One Trade platform. We design One Trade View in order to provide all the capabilities who our companies worldwide need, okay? In the left side, we mention some capabilities our solution, single point of interaction, and accounts reporting along the worldwide of our accounts of our customers, simplify the activation. We have single sign-on from the local bank to the global platform, real-time reporting transfer using APIs, use common APIs and global APIs around the footprint of Santander to provide the capabilities to integrate to the different local banks. Central administration is a capability for our customers to managing the different attribution, user, and limits, okay? Sorry. And for Santander, Santander banks create a strong relation with our multinational customers. Santander has a preferred option for our customers in a footprint because we can provide solution to managing the subsidiary accounts to big customers, reduce the digital client interactions. Of course, it's a key advance for Santander Group and optimize security, okay? Now we can a solution to extend the capabilities to other segments, not only for big companies. Now it's working to provide services to private banking and consumers, sorry. Well, this is a global vision of what is One Trade View. The first screen in the left side is the global position of our customer. We can see the difference account our customers in different geographies. Of course, the transactions regarding to the different accounts, and the customer can download daily the situations of their accounts, and we have provided a tool we call GP Tracker. It's totally integrated with Swift API to provide what is the journey of the payment along the world, okay? This is another example. So this is an international instant transfer. You can provide this capability, and in the right side, this is the screen who our customer can administrate the different users and something like that. Well, this is a video of One Trade View. Well, more things. Well, this is another functionality of our global platform, International Payment Management. We provide capabilities to another Santander accounts, two functionalities, book to book for the same client, and international instant payment, immediate payment for different clients to Santander's accounts. Okay. Two other entities, we provide do and follow payments Santander Bank geography in a local currency and clearinghouse, okay? And international transfer, SWIFT payments, and bilateral agreements, okay? And the previous mentioned payment tracker provide the capability to track the payment and what is the applicable fees in the different payments, okay? In terms of how we can provide services around the world out of Santander footprint, okay? We have a partnership strategy to engage your services. Santander extends the capabilities with these partnerships around the world, okay? We can provide more than 140 currencies, improve the level of services, higher speed payment corridors, because we now have new partners to provide new payment corridors to our customers. Okay? The solution is worldwide, cross-border, and we provide new benefits to Santander entities in order to provide new services around the world our customers. Okay? Transparency, spreads, and predictable cost. Of course, the payment tracking is 24/7 back office support. Well, in terms of cross-boarding, we create a central management component to sharing the liquid solution to intra-group fund flow. Okay, we manage it around the Santander Group, the different FX to provide our customer the best price. Okay, centralized model in terms of payment rails and liquid and FX management. In terms of FX, we create a new capability to centralize the FX managing in Santander Group, access to S-Friend between the group, online prices to market making decks, and back-to-back delegate gloss treasury. The next is a video of FX. Well, finally, this is the platform architecture. Okay, we have a multi-layer architecture focused on data layer. We work very hard together with Stratio. Stratio is our data fabric platform. Okay, and the platform provides key benefits like open, we integrate with API for that connect to the partners, real times, in terms of managing the fraud and control the operation around the different capabilities of the platform. Flexible and scalable, of course, cloud native, and customize the solution daily. Efficiency in terms of optimization the platform as they deploy the new capabilities in an efficient way. Data-driven is key for us. We designed the platform thinking in a 360 customer view. It's key for us. And the next is, in terms of data, what is our challenge, okay? For operation model, probably you saying the same problems than me. Common ways of working, all the teams working AI way is not new for all of us. And align with the company data culture. We have a robust data culture inside Banco Santander in order to promote and create new assets regarding to data, okay? Flexible talent pool is, the market is crazy in terms of profiles and experts in data. We managing internal and external employee in order to manage the rotations, okay? And managing previous mentioned the turnover and retention, okay? Cross-functional squad. We work together, business, technology, and operation, use case by use case. This is a part of our culture. And knowledge and create knowledge in a center of excellence. In case of data, we have a center of excellence of data in PowerNext. On the right side, this is our pillars, okay? And the platform is consolidate and scalate global data across the countries and verticals of previous mentioned, 360 customer vision, scalable. The observability is key for us because our business is very, we need to provide services 24/7 all the days around the year. And in case of data democratization, is part of our culture. Data is accessible for the user, managing profile and roles. We use a common language. Stratio provide a data dictionary who we manage it inside our platform strongly in terms of technical ontologies and business ontology. And of course, data quality is key for us. Okay, we need to report to the regulators, and we need to provide quality data not only for the regulators, of course, for our customers and our users. And data lake is a key asset where we promote in Santander Data Marketplace. We work in order to use strongly the data asset we create with different use cases and guarantees the complexity of the information. And we know we work in continuous improvement. My obsession is improve the industrialization. For me, it's key for resolve the different use cases. We work in data fragile way, data mesh way. I think is very important, and promote the new ways of working, like hyper agile. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.